Welcome students. In this presentation, we are going to solve exercise 7.2 first and second sum. Conversions or transformations becomes a common part of our daily life. For example, a goldsmith melts a bar of gold to transform it to a jewel. Similarly, a kid playing with clay shapes it into different toys. A carpenter uses the wooden logs to form different household articles or furniture. Likewise, the conversion of solids from one shape to another is required for various purposes. In this section, we will be learning problems involving conversion of solids from one shape to another with no change in volume. Exercise 7.2 First sum. A 14 meter deep well with inner diameter 10 meter. See here, it is a well with inner diameter 10 meter. Diameter is given, we know the radius equal to half of the diameter. So radius 5 meter. Deep is nothing but height of the well, that is height of the cylinder, that is 14 meter. Well is dug and the earth taken out is evenly spread all around the well to form an embankment of width 5 meter. See here like this. We have to find the height of the embankment. First understand the concept. Let us follow the diagram. What is given? A 14 meter deep well with inner diameter 10 meter is given. So radius of the well equal to 5 meter and depth, that is height of the well equal to 14 meter. From the figure we can observe that the shape of the well will be cylindrical and earth evenly spread out to form an embankment around the well in a circular ring will be in a cylindrical shape having outer and inner radius. Here this volume of the well equal to volume of the embankment. We have to equate both the volumes and get the height of the embankment. Listen here. Radius of the well equal to 5 meter, height equal to 14 meter. First we have to find the volume of the well. It is in cylindrical shape. So volume of the cylinder pi r square h cubic units. Substitute the values. Here no need to substitute the value for pi because equating the volumes the pi will get cancelled. So write pi as it is. 350 pi meter cube. Here width of the embankment is given. Width is 5 meter. So inner radius 5 meter, we take the outer radius as 10 meter. It is the shape of hollow cylinder. Volume of the embankment equal to pi h capital R square minus small r square. Substitute the values. After simplification we get 75 pi h. Volume of the embankment equal to volume of the well. So equating both the volumes, pi will get cancelled. H equal to 350 by 75, that is equal to 4.666. Here we approximate the value for two decimal places. We get height equal to 4.67 meter. A cylindrical glass with a diameter 20 centimeter. Listen, it's a cylindrical glass, diameter 20 centimeter, so radius 10 centimeter. Has water to a height of 9 centimeter. Like this. What is given? Radius of the glass is given and height of the water is given. It is not the height of the glass then. A small cylindrical metal, small cylinder, it is immersed it completely like this. Then what happened? Water level increases. Calculate the rise of the water in the glass. We have to find the water level increases after the solid immersed. In this question, we use the concept that the height of water that will rise is eventually due to the immersion of a cylinder into the water. So, the volume of water that rises is equal to the volume of the cylinder immersed. First write what is given. Radius of the cylindrical metal equal to 5 centimeter. Height of the metal equal to 4 centimeter. And see here, the radius of the glass is given 10 centimeter. Here the water is in the form of a cylinder. So, we take the radius same as the cylindrical glass. Then height of the water equal to 9 centimeter. Let the height of the water raised be h centimeter. So volume of the water raised in the cylinder. After the solid immersed in water, the water level increases like this. Let us take this portion as h. We have to find this h. So volume of the water raised in the cylinder equal to volume of the cylindrical metal. Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. For differentiating both the heights, we substitute small h for the water level increases, capital H for the height of the cylindrical metal. Substitute the values. Here the volume of water raised is in the form of cylinder with base radius same as cylinder. The radius for 10. Here radius of the metal is 5 and height is 4. Pi and pi get cancelled. H is equal to 5 into 5 into 4 by 10 into 10. Simplify the numbers. We get 4 divided by 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Here one little confusion for the students. When we divide the number by the same number, what will be the answer? Is it 0 or 1? Be clear. When we divide the number by the same number, we get the answer as 1. While we subtracting only, we get the answer 0. So 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. So rise of water in the glass equal to 1 centimeter. Practice only makes perfection. So practice the sum. Both are important 5 mark sums. Practice well. Thank you.